Hey everybody, Jamie at shopmask.com. Welcome to another Mask Minute. So we all know that feeling, you wake up in the morning and you have a new unwelcome friend on your face in the form of a pimple. So what do you do about it? Well, you need some sort of product to treat it, and one such product to consider would be the Grown Alchemist Blemish Treatment Gel. So as the name implies, it's a clear gel like that, goes on nice and light, doesn't leave any sort of sticky residue or anything like that, and basically it helps to treat the blemish, and it does that with a few key ingredients: Salix alba, boswellia, blue cypress, chamomile, and arnica. And all of these ingredients together help to provide antibacterial, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, calming benefits to the blemish. So it helps to basically reduce the blemish or minimize the blemish, as well as help provide the skin with like healing, regenerative properties so that the blemish disappears more quickly. So you would just basically, after washing your face, take a little bit of the gel, apply it to the blemish, let it dry. It just takes a minute or so, and then you could apply moisturizer on top, and you would do that a couple times a day. And that's it, pretty simple. And as I always say, or as the saying goes, treatment is definitely, or prevention is definitely better than cure. So it's always better to not be getting the blemishes in the first place. I mean, I think it's inevitable that you're going to get the occasional blemish, but if you're on a good preventative skincare routine, then you can really cut down on the number of blemishes you get, and that would consist of a good face wash, a good scrub, possibly a toner depending on how severe your blemishes are, and then a good moisturizer. So yeah, that's it. Check it out. This is one of a few different ones we have, but it's on shopmask.com and in the store too if you want to come see it in Vancouver. Thanks for listening.